Hello friends, welcome to StudyCell. In today's project, we are going to build a cloud-connected ESP32-CAM system using Google Drive, Google Sheets and Google Apps Script. With this setup, you can remotely capture photos from anywhere using a simple web dashboard, and the captured images will be automatically uploaded to your Google Drive. We will also add a flash control option so you can turn on the ESP32-CAM flash LED while taking photos in low light conditions. And we can click on the refresh link and then click on this button to see the latest captured image directly from the Google Drive. And the best part is that this project uses free Google services, making it a great alternative for beginners who want to learn cloud-based IoT without setting up any complex servers. During the video, I have explained all the details, so after watching the complete video, anyone can make this DIY ESP32 cloud camera. So without any further delay, let's get started. This video is sponsored by Altium, a world-class PCB design software trusted by many of the biggest electronic companies. The user interface is so simple, you can easily design any complex PCB in Altium. It brings together PCB design, MCAT, data management and teamwork. It also provides centralized cloud storage, automatic backup and many more powerful features. And if you are a student, you can also enroll Altium Student Lab for free to get access Altium software and online PCB design courses. After completing the course, you will also receive a certificate of completion from Altium. There are many other key benefits, so I highly recommend checking out the Altium Student Lab. You will find a link in the description. Just enroll using your university email ID. It's a great opportunity for students and a great initiative from Altium to help you grow your skill in electronics design. Now to program the ESP32-CAM, you have to connect the FTDI232 as per this circuit diagram. While programming, make sure the GPIO 0 and ground must be connected. Now in this video, I will use this adapter to give the supply to this ESP32-CAM. You can easily connect it with the power supply using micro USB cable. So here you can see our Wi-Fi camera is ready. Now this is the Arduino sketch and these two files are the configuration file for the app script. You can download all these three files from our website iotcircuithub.com. Just visit the article. You can find the link in the description. Then you have to scroll down and download all these three files from these buttons. Now after downloading these files, first we will configure the Google Sheet. So let me open the Google Sheet on browser. First I will rename this sheet as Wi-Fi camera. You can give any name. After that I will click on extension, select app script. Now again I will rename the app script for this project. Let me give Wi-Fi camera version 1. You can give any name. Now here we have to copy paste the code.js file which you have downloaded. So let me open this file with Notepad++. You can also use Notepad. Now I will copy the complete file, then open the app script and here I will paste it. Now here we have to update these details. So first we have to update the spreadsheet ID. So I will go to the Google Sheet. Then this is the spreadsheet ID. So I will just copy the ID, go to app script, paste it here. Then we have to create a folder in Google Drive and paste the ID here. So I will go to the Google Drive. Then I will go to new, then new folder, give a name, say Wi-Fi camera. All the picture will be saved in this folder. Then click on create. I will go inside this folder. Then this is the ID. So after folder, you have to copy this folder ID and paste it in a app script code.js file. After that, we have to enter the ESP32 key. Again, you can enter your own value. This value must be same in the Arduino sketch. Now we have to enter a dashboard pin. Let me give 9000. Again, you can enter your own pin. So after doing these changes, our code.js file is ready. Now I will click on this plus icon, select HTML. Then here I will enter the name index, I capital NDEX. Make sure the first letter is capital, which is I. So our index HTML file created. Again, I will go to the index.html file which you have downloaded, open it with Notepad++, copy the complete file, then paste it here. So you don't have to do any changes in the index.html. Now our code.js and index.html is ready. So now we can deploy it. So I will go to deploy, then select new deploy, then from this gear icon select web app, give a name to identify the version. Now here we have to give the permission. For execute as, I will select me, but in the who has access I have to change the permission to anyone so that ESP32-CAM can also access the Google Drive through AppScript. After selecting the permission, I will click on deploy. So it will give me some security warning as I have selected anyone. So if you want, you can also create your separate Google account and configure all these in your new Google account. Now I will click on authorize access, then click on advanced, then select go with the Wi-Fi camera. Now here you can see we have to give the permission to Google Drive so that it can save the image in the Google Drive. After selecting these two, I will click on continue. Now we got the web app URL. So I will just copy it, paste it in a browser. So this is the web app. If I enter the pin, then unlock. So this is our dashboard. Now we have to program the ESP32-CAM. So let me open the Arduino sketch for this project. Now for this project, I have installed this version of the ESP32 board. So you can download the ESP32 board from the board manager. So here you can see I have installed this version. Then in the code, you just have to update the Wi-Fi name, Wi-Fi password. Then here I have to copy paste the AppScript URL. So if I go to the AppScript, so this is the URL I have to copy. Let me close these files so that I can tell you how you can get the URL. Now if I go to the Google Sheet again, first I will go to File, Open, then open the sheet we just have created, Wi-Fi camera version 1. Then go to extension, select AppScript. So in this way you can find the URL anytime. Now this is our code.js and index.html files. Now I will go to deploy, manage deployment as we have already deployed. So this is our AppScript and this is the URL. So this URL is same for the dashboard. I will copy the same URL and paste it here. After that, I have to enter the ESP32 key. Now again I will go to the AppScript. As I said, in the code.js, the ESP32 key must be same in the code.js and Arduino sketch. I will copy this and paste it here. So you just have to modify these values. And here you can see I have also used the inbuilt flashlight of the ESP32. So if you go through this code, you can easily understand, and I will also explain the complete code in the same article. Now let me select the COM port. In the board I will select AI Thinker ESP32-CAM. Let me click on OK. Now I will just hit the upload button. Now let me also show you the tools. In the tools I have selected the partition scheme as UApp, and make sure while uploading the code the GPIO 0 and ground must be connected. Now after uploading the code, I have to disconnect the GPIO 0 from ground and reset the ESP32-CAM. Now let me go to the dashboard. So I will go to deploy, manage deployment, and this is our dashboard under web app. So I will copy it, paste it here. The ESP32 is now connected with the Wi-Fi. So I will just enter the pin. Now let me click on capture photo. Let me also open the Google Drive. So currently there is no photo. Sometimes it may take 5 to 10 second delay to capture the photo and show it on the web dashboard. So here you can see it captured the photo, and I can also click on refresh link and we got the link. Let me click here to see the photo on the browser. Now let me turn on the flash. Again let me click capture photo. So again it will take another picture with the flashlight on. And if I go to Google Drive, we will see another picture stored in the Google Drive. Here you can see this is the second picture, and I can also show you in the sheet. There will be two tabs automatically created, state and logs. You will find the picture link and the time. Then in the log you will find all the links all the time. You can also access this dashboard from the mobile. Here you can see our Wi-Fi camera is ready. Now let me open the browser, then paste the URL for the dashboard. Then I will enter the dashboard pin. So here you can see this is our dashboard. So you can turn off and on the flashlight while taking the picture. Now the flashlight is on. I will just tap on capture photo. After that I will tap on refresh link, then tap on the open latest image. So here you can see it took the photo. Now you can also see the photo in Google Drive. So in Google Drive you can see all the photo it captured. It will save in particular folder which you have defined in the code.js. Now if you want to turn off the flash, just turn off the flash, then again capture photo. So this time the flash will turn off while taking the picture. So this is a very useful project. The only thing, as we are using free plan, sometimes it may take 5 to 10 second delay while capturing the photo. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.